Hello, I'm attorney Sherry Stinson. I wanted to come on and talk to you a little bit today about estate planning and what it is. I know it sounds kind of boring, kind of morbid. Some people say, I don't know what it is. And you know what? It can be a little boring and a little bit morbid, but that's why you come to somebody like me, because I can help you make it easy and figure it out. So when we talk about estate planning, what we're really talking about is you sitting down with a professional to make some decisions about what happens to you, what happens to your family, and what happens to your money if you get sick and you can't take care of yourself, or if you die. So the joke goes, you've never heard of a hearse pulling a U-Haul to heaven. We're all gonna die. It's going to happen. It's inevitable. And so part of what estate planning is an opportunity for you to sit down and make some decisions about what you want to happen. Most people don't know that if you do not make a plan, the state of Florida or wherever you live will make one for you. They have statutes and laws for those sorts of things. And after 16 years of practicing, I've never heard anybody say that the government makes better decisions for you than you do. You want to be in control. You want to be in charge. And so common questions in this area include, what's a will? What's a trust? What's the difference between a will and a living will? What's the difference between a will and a healthcare surrogate? These are all very good and important questions that if you sit down with good, competent estate planning counsel, they will explain all of this to you. They will help you take something that seems a little out of reach, a little confusing and a little complex, and they'll help you and just make it very simple. They'll help you understand the difference between all of these things and why it's so important. So what I want to leave you with today is, you're never too young, you're never too old, but you might be too late. I don't want to be an alarmist, but the fact is that we're all going to die. Many of us are going to be incapacitated. And you want to sit down and get your wishes in writing while you have time, while time is not of the essence and you're not under the gun. So if you're thinking about this process and maybe you don't know where to start, you're a little scared, you're a little overwhelmed, give us a call at the number below today. We'll be happy to sit down and have a conversation with you and take what can be a daunting process and make that much easier for you.